AirTag Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use AirTag on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can't really connect your AirTag to your Android phone because this is Apple locking you into their ecosystem. They don't allow anyone other than iOS users to be able to use their AirTag. The very least thing that you could do on Android is to just track if there is any AirTag nearby. So you can open up your Play Store and search for Apple AirTag. You'll find this application called Tracker Detect. This is not from a third-party source. As you can see, the developer itself is Apple. So they released this Tracker Detect application for users who want to find out on Android if someone is tracking them. So you can go ahead and then open this Tracker Detect app, allow the Bluetooth access here. Then you can just go ahead and tap the scan option to start scanning anything in this case, and then you will be able to find out if someone is just spying on you or not. This is the least thing that you can do. You can't connect your AirTag to your Android phone because this is just Apple who's locking you into their own ecosystem. You can only do it on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.